You should stop negative thought. You should think always positive. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So guys, I want to tell you my name is Sikandar Ali. That's why my YouTube channel name कौन बनेगा इंग्लिश का सिकंदर. So guys, today I want to explain you something. If you want to learn speak English, you can learn easily. But you have to follow me. You have to watch my video every day. Gradually you can learn. You can talk English fluency. You can become a good English speaker. But you have to follow me. You have to watch my video. You have to talk every day. You have to spend time every day, minimum 1 hour. So I want to say you, I want explain you. Guys, suppose that your health is not good. You want good fitness. You go for gym. Tell me please how much time you go for gym. How much time you want to go for gym? Tell me please. 12 hour, 4 hour. How much time you go for you want to go? You will go for gym only 1 hour or 2 hours. Enough. No need to go 12 hour, 15 hour, 20 hour. Because if you do gym 15 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour, your health will be bad. So if you want good physical fitness, you should go for walk only 1 hour, maximum 2 hours. If you want to good health, you go for exercise only 1 hour, maximum 2 hours. Enough for your health. No need to go there for gym, for exercise, for walk 12 hour, 15 hour, 20 hour. So guys, I want to explain you. If you want to learn speak English, no need to expend time 12 hour, 15 hour, 20 hour. You have to give time minimum 1 hour, maximum 2 hour. I know you are businessman. You are doing work. You are shopkeeper. How can I spend time for learn 10 hour, 20 hour, 15 hour? What will happen your work? Suppose that I spend time 12 hour for learn speak English. What will happen my work? What will happen my business? I am businessman as you know. I haven't time. I live quite busy whole day. So guys, I want to explain you. No need to read 24. No need to read 10 hour, 12 hour, 15 hour. No need to write unlimited. If you want to learn speak English, you have to give time only 1 hour, maximum 2 hour, depend on your time. But you have to do every day. You have to do every day. You have to spend time every day. You have to be consistent. If you go one day gym, after that you will not go. You will not go. Suppose that after 2 days, 2 day left. So if you want good health, you have to go every day gym, exercise. You have to go every day for walk. So if you want become a good speaker, if you want good English, if you want to good knowledge in English, so you have to give only 1 hour, sir. Only 1 hour. You have to spend time only 1 hour. Enough. 100% after 6 months. You can see self 100% you will be able to talk fluency. Okay. I can't say I am good speaker. I am fluent. See, I like a lot mistake. I make mistake. I want to try to speak, but I want to much more confidence. That's why, as you know, I am businessman. My schedule quite hectic, quite busy. Even then, I spend time every day, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, but I spend every day. Without spend time, without consistency, you can't learn. If you go for gym, you have to go every day. If you go to work, you have to go every day. If you go to exercise, you have to go every day. Like this, you should spend time every day if you want to learn speak English. If you want to serious for learn speak English. If you want much more confidence in English, so you have to give time. Without spend time, you suppose that you are not consistent, you can't learn entire life. Okay, so if you are consistent, 100% you will be able to talk. I gave already example. If you want good health, you have to go every day for walk. You have to depend on your choice. You can go for gym, you can go for exercise, depend on your choice. But you should be consistent, you should be punctual, then your health will be good, your knowledge will be good. English is not a big mountain. If you are consistent, day by day, your brain will be open, your mouth will be open. As you know, if you have mobile, how much GB there inside? Inside your mobile, 2 GB, 3 GB, 5 GB, 6 GB, 10 GB enough. But God gave your brain inside unlimited GB. You can remember a lot thing. You can upload a lot thing. You have inside mind, inside brain, unlimited GB. You can learn 4, 5, 6, 7 unlimited language. I'm not talking about only English. If you are punctual, if you are consistent, you can upload inside unlimited GB because it's brain mad. My God give gifts. God gave gift inside brain. I have unlimited GB. So, but you have to use. If you don't use, how can we succeed? Every human has unlimited GB inside brain. Some people does use brain, does use memory. Some people does not use memory. So if you want to be success, if you want your brain, your luck will be bright. If you want future, my future will be good. You have to use memory. God gave you unlimited memory. But if you don't use, how can we succeed? You can't succeed in entire life. If you have 2 GB phone, 3 GB phone, you use anytime 24 hours. But God gave unlimited GB, you don't use. How can we succeed? if you do mobile use, you know WhatsApp, Play Store, everything you already know. You can know everything because you use every day. You don't use brain. You don't use brain. Your brain has unlimited GB. You are living village area, doesn't matter. You are living city area, doesn't matter. First of all, you have to use GB. God gave already unlimited GB, but people don't use GB. Only use mobile GB. If you use mobile GB, your time will be passed. Your future will be bad. You should use brain GB. God gave already unlimited GB. You should use. You should use unlimited. Non-stop you should use. You should do use because God gift. My brain God gift. It is God gift. So guys, my my video will be long. That's why I will upload tomorrow next new video. If I want to say you again, if you want to learn speak English, if you want to be success, you should watch my everyday my you should watch my video every day. I upload every day new video. Okay guys. So please uh, don't forget to like my video, for subscribe, share too. Thank you so much. Don't forget me, sir. Okay, thank you.